Isabel, go stand next to Adrian. Go next to Adrian so you can be in the video. Isabel, you scared of the parrot? Go closer to the bird. He likes to go on the shoulder. Huh? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's okay. They just like to sit on shoulders. She won't hurt you.
Okay.
Here, I can help. Arm on your shoulder.
You walk, you're doing it.
No, Isabel, don't do that.
You don't want to scare the bird. You know, why don't we look? What colors do you see on the bird?